you're having a great day. So it is really windy out today on the farm. So I think I'm gonna go try to find a place to tuck in where maybe the wind isn't hitting so bad and give you an update on what I'm up to today. The ducks are back. They fly off every time now I try to get them. There they go. Today I am starting some Astilbe and some Dusty Miller. So I'll give you some footage of that. Tomorrow is Snapdragons and I think I have seeds to start all week. So that's exciting. And I think I'm also gonna take you in and just show you some of the progress on the farmhouse. I did get all of the walls painted and I got my tablecloth in and I got one curtain hung. So I'll probably do a little bit of footage in there and I probably have to still work with the sound in the video and some light. Okay, so this is my setup so far. I thought if I did gray, it would just kind of make it a little bit darker so it would be easier to see all of the flowers and what I'm working with. And then I decided to put a gray curtain behind as well. I just put it up with clips. I hope they hold because they're just the kind that stick to they're like the command strips because it's plaster and I didn't really know how to do it. So I think I'll be able to set up here and shine some lights on this table. This window, I didn't think would let in a lot of light because it's the north window, but it actually lets in a ton of light. So I think I am going to have to get a curtain to put over that, and it might help with the sound. As you can tell, it's still really echoey in here, even with putting a curtain up, putting the stand with a tablecloth on it. I moved my little desk in here so that I had all of the stuff to make bouquets with, and it's still pretty echoey. So maybe I'll get a chair in here or something like that, but I do think it's looking a lot better than it looked before. Here is a view. The walls all look nice and clean now. They don't look completely disgusting, and I have kind of a little table set up. I'm so excited about it. But I do think I might measure that window and get a curtain for it. That way while I'm videoing, I can close off the light and kind of control the light so you guys can see the flowers better. And I hope this gives me the room that I need to put together bouquets and show you that. So that project's coming along. I think I will measure this today while I'm out here and maybe go look for another curtain that kind of blocks it out. And I might set up some lights in here and stuff so there aren't too many shadows, but I think it'll be really fun. Yay! You tell they get bored with me. Like, let's go walk. And I put some of my dried flowers. I have other dried flowers, but I put some dried flowers in here. I don't know if I've showed you guys, but I have a lot of dried flowers hanging from the wall from this year. I really like this purple. Maybe I'll put it out there. But I was gonna do some stuff with dried flowers, but I just didn't get to it this year, but that's okay. I'm kind of seeing how they hold up and what they do, and I'm impressed with them. I just need to find more stuff to do with them. I know people make soaps and candles and just sell them in straight bundles, which I could add those to my website. I just haven't done that yet, but one day I will get there. I will do all the things. But anyway, that's kind of the setup in here, and I'm excited to keep it going and maybe get another curtain and maybe get something to absorb that sound. I know you guys can hear it. It's real echoey. I can hear it, and I do plan on just improving it the best I can. So that's an update on the farmhouse. But today with the Astilbe and Dusty Miller, it's the same thing as always. I'm going to just get some of my potting soil, just not dripping wet, but wet enough that it has enough moisture to germinate those seeds. These seeds, all you put them on top. And around 72 degrees. I think the Astilbe likes from like 68 maybe to 72, and the Dusty Miller is more like 72 to 75. So I think they'll be able to germinate in my basement, because my basement runs anywhere from 68 up to 75 recently, but the temperatures are going to be dropping again this week. So we will see. I'll get them under my grow lights. I don't think I'll have to put them on any heat mats, and we'll just see if they take off. I will give you an update on how my bells of Ireland are doing. I already saw my yarrow is starting to germinate. So much faster than Lisianthus, and my Lisianthus is still doing good. And the eucalyptus that had germinated is still growing and doing well. I lost about 4 plants, and I think I've lost about 4 Lisianthus plants too. Not sure why. Maybe something just went wrong with those cells. But everything's looking good, and I'm really happy with it. And I think that's my update for today. So I'll give you some footage of all of that. I just wanted to jump on and let you know what I'm up to. Seems like the season's getting busier now, so that's exciting. I can't wait to get out here and start getting it cleaned up. And I probably need to put some cardboard down in some spots and make room for some trays. My Artemisia back there is blowing in the wind sideways, which makes me think some of this footage might have to be cut, because it is probably too windy for you to even understand what I'm saying. But anyway, that's what I'm doing today. I hope you all enjoy the video, and I hope you have a great day.